Hello lovely, you're welcome to my first YouTube video. My name is Cynthia and this is Time with Josie, so stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna try to make this video as short as possible because I wouldn't want to bore you guys on my first video. So excited to start up this video because if you know me, you should know that I have procrastinated this a lot. I've told myself I'm gonna do this, I've always wanted to start up my own YouTube channel, but I don't know if to say it's the anxiety or I have this insecurity, but you wouldn't know because I smile a lot and I think I'm bold when I'm talking, but I've always had this fear. Are they going to like the video? Are they going to subscribe to my channel? Are they going to love me? Am I going to get likes? So but today I overcame the insecurities and I said, why not just start? And I've always had this saying, my husband always said this, you start by starting. So yeah, I'm going to just tell us what this channel is all about, what Time with Josie is all about, and what we should be expecting. On this channel, we're going to be having a lot of DIYs, tips and tricks. We're going to be having baking and cooking video because I'm a baker and my business name is Josie's Cakes and Pastries. You can check me out on Instagram and Facebook, okay? And we're going to be having makeup video. I won't say tutorial because guys, I'm not a makeup artist, but I just love makeup. And we're going to be checking out some products like cheap products. How come we say don't use cheap, use affordable, okay? Affordable makeup products, and you will still use it to get a beautiful and perfect makeup. As a learner, I would like to teach my fellow learners how I do my makeup and get it beautifully done, okay? And also guys, sorry, the next video is going to be DIY on makeup organizer, okay? I'm going to start up with that, and definitely I'm going to be dropping videos every weekend, Saturday to be precise. To cut the whole long story short, when I said I want to make this first video, an introduction video, I told people to ask me some few questions so that this first video wouldn't be boring, so you won't be like, what is she doing, why is she here? So I'm just gonna drop right into the question. And the first question says, why YouTube channel? Why did you create a YouTube channel? Okay, I created this YouTube channel because before now I normally do a baking video, cooking video, and I just drop it on my status, and I believe it's limited. I know that only people on my contacts have access to that video. So, and I want a platform where I can have unlimited numbers of people watching what I can do and what I have to share with others. The next question says, are you married? I am married with 3 beautiful girls. And guys, you're going to be seeing my daughters on this channel because I have a lot to bring to the table. Yeah, they have a lot to bring to the table. And this channel is for everyone, both old, young, just name it. Whatever you want to see, whatever I feel like bringing up, whatever creativity I think I have on my finger, I'm going to be sharing it with my lovely family. You guys are now my family. Okay, what country are you from? I'm from Nigeria. I'm a Nigerian. Yeah, proud. I'm an Edo girl, Bini to be precise. Oh yeah, though I don't know how to speak fluently, but I understand Bini very well. Okay, but I don't think the deep Bini because there are some Bini when they speak it. And before I even say anything in Bini, I think
really, nigga,
just like I rehearsed it in my head first, and before I say, maybe somebody's asking, what year means how are you? Yes, how are you? That is it. And okay, I'm Benin. You get married at what age? Okay, I think this person wants to know my wedding anniversary. Maybe I should be expecting gifts. Okay, I got married 2012. April 6th is wedding anniversary. 2012, that was when I got married. If you want to know, stay tuned to this channel. Stay tuned to Time with Juices. We are going to be bringing a lot of juicy stuff, a lot that I think you would want to know. Though I believe there are so many videos about it already on YouTube, but I think there are different ways to achieve, and mine is going to be the easiest. If you want to see how to do this easiest way, stay tuned to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like and share. Drop your comments, because guys, I want to see your comments. I want to know how I'm doing, especially this very first video. Please don't forget to drop a comment. Tell me how I did or what I should improve on. Just anything basically, because I know your comments are going to help me. Whether negative comments, positive comments is welcome. Thank you for watching this video. Because I said I wouldn't want to make this video very long, I'm going to stop here. Subsequently on this channel, I'm going to be answering the rest of the questions. So for those of you that are like, I sent this and she didn't answer the question, don't worry guys, I can't keep you hanging. I'm going to answer all your questions as time goes on. Stay tuned. Love you guys, and see you on our next video.